In this section, we will learn about custom fields. This is the most powerful feature of this application. It makes this application fully dynamic and flexible, so that this application can be used at any business or any event literally anywhere there is data collection needed. What are custom fields? Apart from Emirates ID fields, we may need some additional custom fields related to your business or the event at which you are using this application. To understand custom fields, let's go through some example scenarios. For example, if you are using this application in a hotel, you might need custom fields like room number, department, check-in date time, service boy assigned, remarks. Or if you are using it as a doctor, you might need custom fields like patient ID, patient type old or new, blood group, prescription, next visit date. Or if you are using this in a medical lab, you might need fields like date time, company name, employee ID, vaccinated yes or no, swap sample ID. Or if you are using this application in a short course training center, you might need fields like date time, company, employee ID, course name, trainer name, batch number, remarks. Or if you are using this application at any building entrance at reception to record guests or visitors, you might need custom fields like visitor number, date time, host name, purpose of visit, visit duration, passport or visa attachment, etc. It will be fully in your control to customize as per your requirements. In this section, we will learn how to add or remove custom fields. Click on Settings menu. It will pop up the Settings form. See at left side there are tabs. Click Custom Fields tab. Here we can add our custom fields. The first column is name of custom field. The second column is data type of this column. And the third column is used for different settings of field, it depends on type of field. We will learn this in detail. Before creating actual fields, let me explain field types and its settings. Custom fields can be made of any type, like single line text box. Let me resize the settings form so that we can see main form and changes reflecting in custom fields. See a custom field is added with label text box underscore field. Let's try some default values in it. Now let's try to add multiline field. You can name it anything, I will name it multiline underscore field. Select multiline text box as data type. By default, its height will be 200, you can increase or decrease its height by changing this value. Notice in main form the multiline underscore field text box height is changing. Let's add date time field, I will name it date time underscore field. Select current date time data type. And change format, suppose we need only date part. Change month format to 3 characters month name. Full month name. Show 3 characters day name. Show full day name. Now let's add serial number field, I will name it serial underscore field. Select data type. Serial. Default value is 1. Change it to 100 and see what is appearing in main form. It is showing 101 because it will auto-increment it by 1 on each transaction. Let's try 50. It's in your control, you can start from any number. Let's add drop-down field. I will name it drop-down_field. Select data type. By default, it is showing options. No and yes. Also, pipe 1 means second option is chosen to be selected as default selected option. This number should be starting from 0. Let's add different options. You can add departments, sections, services, or anything of your choice. For simplicity, I will keep option 1, option 2, and option 3. Let's also try different default selected value. Let's add attachment field now. I will name it attachment_field. Select attachment data type. By default, a path and file filter option will be added. It has 2 parts: file_path and filters. You can change file path where these attachments need to be saved. You can also change filters which type of files it should accept. Let's save it and close the settings form. See drop-down options we had added. Option 1, Option 2, and Option 3. Let's attach a file. In this section, we will learn how to add custom fields for a doctor. In custom fields, it's totally based on our choice if we want to add any custom fields or not. Currently, we have only one custom field, that is date time. Let me remove that one and see how our application looks. Go to Settings. Click Custom Fields. Select Row. Hit Delete button to remove custom field. Now, click Save and close the form. See, there is no custom fields, and that space is now covered by Emirates ID fields. Now let's create custom fields for a doctor. Go to Settings, click Custom Fields. Type patient_ID. We will take this as a serial so that it automatically increments on each card scan. We will keep current value 0, so 1 will be the next value showing up in text box. Another field we will add is patient_type. We will make it a drop-down list. The options will be old patient and new patient. And 1 after pipe sign means second option will be selected by default. Add another field blood_group. This will also be of drop-down type. We will add blood groups. If we are not specifying default select, then the first one will be selected by default. Add another field prescription. Make it multi-line text box. Height 200 is okay. Add another field. Next _visit_date. Select current date time field type. And in date time format, remove time portion as we only need date. Add another field remarks. Make it multi-line text box. Make its height 100. Let's save and close settings form to see. Yes, all fields are showing as we added. Let's see patient_ID field is automatically incrementing on each card scan or not. Let's scan a card. Yes. The patient_ID field value is incremented. Reset. Scan card again. Incremented again. Patient_ID whose type is serial. You can reset its value anytime. Go to Settings. Custom Fields. Change this value to 0 or any other value you want. Save and close. See it's reset to 1.